Yeah, yeah. Just look at the clock and be like, oh yeah, our knock time, yeah, 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh.
Legger.
Maybe that's gonna be close. I think it was right on that white line yesterday.
Are you in the pocket?
It ought to be close to some points. At 12?
That is a 12. That is a broken arrow. Well, I'd say that sucker right
Third target in, 12 ringer.
got some broken ankles.
Oh.
We want to talk about the structural integrity. That right there, not a very sound animal.
That is not.
You know what this was?
Huh.
I think so many people hit that tree.
Yeah, it fell over.
Like it was just blocking
It
the
was
vitals
just
a
a tree.
It was just a tree.
Now it makes it even funner. That's pretty good shots for that deal.
Yeah, you mean, hell, we missed that by an inch. So 8,
That's pretty cool.
5 is what those are. Game.
We're about halfway through Black Rifle. On target 13. What's your thoughts on which course is the best?
By far, this one's way better in weight.
I agree.
I would shoot this one 10 times to shooting that one twice.
There you have it. I agree. Black Rifle's a lot better than Hoyt.
Tell me where the moves are.
I think we're down 8. About halfway there. So
Just forward the middle.
we got some work to do. Hey, can you guys hear me now? So we hadn't had the mic on, that's good. But we're 20 targets in the Black Rifle Coffee course. Score update, we're behind. and I don't think we're gonna get them, but we're having fun. Black rifle course today is like,
Looks like they're center of the outside.
I don't know, I like it a lot better than the Hoyt course yesterday. If you want more of a challenging deal, it's definitely been more challenging.
Well, towards the front.
Some of these shots are tucked, got limbs in the way. Caught one myself 2 targets ago. Big old goose egg on that one, but hit the 12 ring on the next one.
May now.
5 to go. Team B's got the lead.
Who got first?
Hey,
Good shot.
Good job.
Good job.
Hey, while you're in there, get this other battery out. This one's about dead.
Ty, do you feel like you broke high?
Yes.
Great shot. That one's in there.
8, bird, 8, tail 5.
There we go, back to back. 12 ringers.
Somebody get that. Heart shot. What did you shoot for? American. Oh yeah, I got it. You're right. That's not 59. It's alright. I'll put this in there.
Good. I like that. Good. What'd you shoot it for?
57. In there.
Might help.
Blooper.
Not a blooper because I didn't touch it off. See, but if I touch it off and the strings don't come off, that's not a shot because an arrow never left the bow.
Good.
Mulligan. Might as well, right?
You bet. Even though the 12 on this is a dime.
That's what I'm about to hit. All right.
What's the distance?
I wonder if baby polar bears actually come out that small.
I doubt.
Pretty little.
Looks like the size of a freaking corn-fed raccoon, bud. Well,
Dude,
have a
I don't know how you hit where you hit, Ty.
I was leaning against that tree.
You did lean against it?
Yeah. You ever shot a rifle off a tree? It's more steady.
What about a bug?
I don't know. It didn't work for me. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Look at him go.
Pretty good. Dude, I don't even know if that'll be points. I bet you just hit that. Or is it better for you? Hey, alright. Boys and girls.
So that's it for TAC 2023. That deal is awesome. We loved every minute of it. If you haven't checked out a TAC event, you guys have got to do so. That deal is, I mean, we're going to go every year from now on. We're actually planning to go to other events in other state next year. Maybe pick one out per year, go off, make a trip of it. If you guys like this video, man, please help us out. Hit the like button, subscribe. Stay tuned for some more videos because turkey season's right around the corner.